Welcome. In this space, we will nurture your inner strength and rebuild self-trust through powerful affirmations. These words will act as seeds planted in your mind and heart, helping you grow into the most confident and resilient version of yourself. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Grounding yourself in the present moment. Let's start by grounding ourselves in this moment. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and release slowly through your mouth. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you fully. Allow yourself to become aware of your body, your breath, and the space around you. Repeat silently or aloud. I am safe in this moment. I release all tension and allow myself to be fully present. This is my time to heal and grow. Let these grounding breaths connect you to your inner strength, the solid foundation within you that is always there. Affirmations for rebuilding self-trust. Now, let's focus on rebuilding self-trust. Repeat these affirmations, allowing their meaning to resonate deeply within you. I trust myself to make decisions that honor my well-being. I listen to my inner voice and trust its wisdom. I forgive myself for past mistakes and learn from them. I am capable of creating the life I desire. I release self-doubt and embrace confidence in my abilities. Feel each affirmation strengthening your connection with yourself. With every breath, let trust grow like a steady flame within you. Affirmations for inner strength. Let's cultivate inner strength, the unwavering force within you that rises to meet challenges. Repeat after me. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any obstacle. Every challenge I face helps me grow stronger. I have the power to navigate life with courage and grace. My strength comes from within, and it is limitless. I believe in myself and my ability to handle life's journey. Allow these words to settle in your heart. Imagine your strength as an unshakable mountain, rooted, grounded, and steadfast. Reconnecting with your authentic self to rebuild self-trust and inner strength. It's important to reconnect with your authentic self, the truest version of you, unclouded by doubt or fear. Affirm with me. I honor who I am without judgment or comparison. I embrace my uniqueness and celebrate my individuality. I am proud of my journey and how far I've come. I align with my values and trust my path. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness. Picture yourself standing tall, shining brightly as your most authentic self. Feel the joy and peace that comes from being unapologetically you. Letting go of fear and self-doubt. Let's release fear and self-doubt, making space for self-trust and empowerment. Breathe deeply and repeat, I let go of fear, for it no longer serves me. I release self-doubt and choose to believe in myself. I am free from the need for external validation. I am enough, just as I am. I trust the process of life and my place in it. Imagine fear and doubt dissolving, carried away like leaves floating on a river. Feel the freedom and lightness within you. Visualization for inner strength and trust. Now, let's visualize your inner strength and self-trust as a radiant light within you. Close your eyes and imagine this light glowing brightly in your heart. With each breath, see it expand, filling your entire body with warmth and power. This is your inner strength, always present and ready to guide you. Affirm, I am strong, confident, and unshakable. I trust myself fully and completely. My inner light shines brightly, illuminating my path. Feel this light energizing and grounding you, preparing you for anything the day may bring. Gratitude and closure. As we conclude this meditation, take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself, for your growth, and for the strength that resides within you. Affirm, I am grateful for the opportunity to grow and heal. I trust the journey of my life. I am proud of the progress I have made. Carry this sense of trust and strength with you throughout your day. Remember, you have everything you need within you to thrive. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Go forward with confidence, peace, and purpose.